Hi, friends, how all you are? Welcome to my brand new video. On this video, I will show you that how could you download Andriod application on PC or laptop. It's very simple. Let's start with this intro. For that you have to download software in your PC. BlueStack, you can download it by going on browser and search. Download BlueStack, and you see this link, open it. And this site will open. Remember, you have to know your system type of your PC. For that, go on desktop, select my computer or this PC. Right click on it, go on properties, there will be system type information as mine. Here it is of 64 bits, so I will download 64 bits supporting BlueStacks. If there is 32 bits on your PC, then download BlueStacks of 32 bits. After downloading it, install it. Wait for time depend upon your internet speed and processor. Now you can log in on Play Store or download app file from browser. If you download the APK file, then on right side there is APK install option, click there. Then choose file, then press open, then it will be install on BlueStack, and you can access it. Thanks for watching this video. Keep support me.